Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, do you remember when we imagined that Captain Curious found a rocket ship and he was launching into space? I have been so excited to find out what happens next. Are you ready to go? Okay, close your eyes and pretend that we are back on the rocket ship. Are you ready? Repeat after me. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Do you see the Earth out the window? It's getting smaller and smaller. We're heading into space. And while we're on this rocket ship, you can call me Captain Curious. Okay, well, let's look around this rocket and see what we can find. Oh, what's this? Is it a box? It says, the Curious Container. I wonder what's inside. I see 3 items. There's a pair of really powerful sunglasses, a shield, and a solar panel. Have you ever seen a solar panel on the roof of a house or a building? They're really cool. They absorb the sunshine and create electricity. I wonder what we are going to do with these 3 items. Will you help me figure it out today? Here, I have an idea. Why don't you get a piece of paper and a pencil and draw these 3 items? If you need to pause the episode to draw, that's okay. I'll wait. Okay, so first, draw the really powerful sunglasses. Then, draw a shield. Oh, and this shield has a big red button on the front. I'm not sure what it does yet. Okay, and then draw a solar panel. Solar panels just look like a rectangle. You could draw little squares or dots inside of the rectangle to decorate it if you want. Oh, I found something else. It's right above the cockpit. It's a display that says 93 million miles. Oh, and it's counting down. 92 million miles. 91 million miles. Wow, we're picking up speed. Do you know something that's about 93 million miles away from Earth? Whatever it is, the flight is getting brighter and brighter. Wow, I can barely keep my eyes open. Do you know where we're going? Yes! The sun! That's right, the sun is 93 million miles away from Earth. Oh, this is perfect because I got an email from Hannah asking, how does the sun shine? And I also got an email from Benji asking, how hot is the sun? We'll make sure to find out the answers to these questions on our journey today. Wow, the sun is really bright. I wish there was something I could use to protect my eyes. Maybe this shield? Maybe I could hide behind the solar panel? Oh, right, the sunglasses. I think these are special sunglasses just for traveling to the sun. Let me try them on. Oh, whoa, they worked! Now, in real life, you shouldn't look at the sun even if you are wearing sunglasses. But in our story today, I'm wearing special sunglasses that let us learn all about the sun while we look directly at it. Don't worry, I've got a pair for you too. Ooh, and that sun, it is hard to miss now. It's huge. We're almost there. Wow, look at that thing. Look how big it is. Did you know that you can fit 1,300,000 Earths inside the sun? Okay, we made it. Huh? What's that alarm? Oh, the dashboard says heat overload. Oh, because we're so close to the sun. This rocket has built-in heat shields, but the sun is so hot that they're not strong enough. We need more help. What can we do? The shield with the button? Do you think this shield is a heat shield? Well, let's press the button and see. Yes! That was the heat shield we needed. Great idea. Now we can explore the sun safely. We need shields that can withstand at least 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, because that's how hot the surface of the sun is. Well, I say surface, but did you know that you can't actually land on the sun, even if you did have a really powerful shield? You want to know why? Because there's no actual land. The part of the sun that we can see, the part that we sometimes call the surface, is actually called the photosphere. Can you say photosphere? That's an easy name to remember because it's like you took a photo of the sun. The part you can see in the photo is the photosphere. Actually, let's take a picture of the sun right now. Say, melted cheese! It's kind of blown out. The sun is made of something called plasma. Can you say plasma? Plasma is a special kind of matter, even hotter than gas. It's like a sea of tiny electric particles buzzing around. Traveling through the sun would be like trying to swim through superheated electric jelly. Here's an interesting question. If the sun has no land, could you actually fly straight through the sun? Well, yes and no. In real life, no way. The very center of the sun, the core, hits 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. But I mean, we are just pretending right now, right? Should we try it? Let's turn this thing off autopilot. Let's go to manual mode. Rocket ship, we're going through the sun. Whoa, okay, here we go. We're going through the photosphere. Remember, this is the layer that we can see with our eyes, but we're going deeper to the layers we can't usually see. We're in the convective zone. Can you say convective zone? Here, hot plasma rises and cooler plasma sinks, creating churning, boiling currents, kind of like a bubbling soup. This movement pushes energy up towards the photosphere where we can see it. Whoa, now we're in the radiative zone. Can you say radiative zone? The plasma here is packed so tightly that energy gets trapped. Light particles, called photons, can you say photons? They bump around for thousands of years before they can escape. It's like the world's slowest game of pinball. The pressure here is unbelievable. And now we've reached the core, the very center of the sun. This is the hottest part of all, where nuclear fusion happens. The plasma is so dense and pressurized that hydrogen atoms smash together and create helium. And that's what powers the sun. It's 27 million degrees Fahrenheit in here. Our rocket ship is getting squeezed and toasted at the same time. And we're through the other side. The radiative zone, where energy travels in the form of light particles, onto the convective zone, where hot plasma rises into the photosphere. And now we're in the photosphere, the part we can see with our eyes. We made it. We're the first humans to successfully travel through the sun. Good job, everybody. Uh-oh. We just lost power. I guess that trip through the sun was tough on our little ship. We need a way to restore power to the rocket. But how? Oh, the solar panel. Let me grab it and install it. And let's see. There we go. Okay, power has been restored. I guess if you're gonna lose power, being right next to the sun when you have a solar panel is the ideal situation. Wait, right outside the ship, I see two arrows. One arrow points left and it says true. And one arrow points right and it says false. Underneath, there's a question. It says, true or false? The sun is made of plasma. Is the sun made of plasma? Yes, it is. That's true. Okay, well, let's go left. Oh, there's another sign. It says, what is the layer of the sun that we can see? Oh yeah, remember the layer that you can take a photo of? The photosphere, of course. Oh, the sign changed. It says, go right. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's one more sign. True is left, false is right. It says, you can land on the sun. We went all the way through the sun. Did we land on the sun? No, that is false. So let's go right. Hey, right up ahead. What is that? What is that thing? Let's get a little closer. Oh, it's a treasure chest. Let's pick it up. There it is. This treasure chest, it doesn't have a key slot. In fact, all it has are 10 slots for what look like rocks. Do we need to collect rocks out here in space in order to open this treasure chest? Whoa! The ship just kicked into high gear. I guess it knows where we need to go collect some space rocks. It was fun learning about the sun, but I sure am excited to take off these heavy-duty sunglasses. Whew! Well, where do you think we're gonna collect our first space rock? I guess we'll have to find out soon. See you next time! Hey, that was really fun. 10 slots in the treasure chest? Have we charted a course for the next 10 episodes of Captain Curious? That sounds good to me, because I love exploring space, and I'm really curious to see where we get to explore next. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out, so until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, if your family would like a shout out on the show, please go leave a review on the Apple Podcast app, just like JMCal16 did. Thank you. And please visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.